Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacker that is called footer quotes. And this hijacker is promoted by means of the website browserquote.com. However, it is quite unlikely that you would make your personal decision to visit this particular page, browserquote.com. So often the distributors of this browser extension tend to refer to the help of various adware type applications that may generate new browser tabs and promote this footer quotes extension. Also, footer quotes may be integrated with some free applications, so people often download and install it pretty unintentionally. That's another reason why footer quotes is considered to be a potentially unwanted program. So, footer quotes is a browser extension that displays pop-up ads and unwanted advertisements not originating from the sites you are browsing. Footer quotes is a Chrome extension that will show a new quote in the footer of the Google search pages. Once installed, footer quotes displays advertisements trying to sell software, pushes fake software updates, and various tech support scams. So if you have somehow installed this footer quotes extension, we recommend you to uninstall it. Now watch carefully as I explain how to get rid of any third-party extensions that you don't need. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Now once you find this particular extension called footer quotes, disable and remove the extension entirely. Basically, this should fix the problem. But I also recommend you to additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get its latest version is on the page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner using this software. Using this website, start the application, and then after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button and begin the detailed analysis of your Mac computer. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.